Welcome back to the Morning Blend, everybody. Today, a very special type of pharmacy. This one has been compared to a spa.
That's right. I'm so excited about this place. I can't even tell you. I'm going to tell you. Last month, I went to Welltopia Pharmacy. It's in Ozaukee County. They combine the convenience of a typical pharmacy with the hands-on care of a wellness center. It's so cool. They custom make medications to each specific patient's needs, and then it's absolutely beautiful inside too. So take a look at this. Walking in here, it's bright, it's beautiful. You designed this place with an inviting family feel.
I'm a pharmacist who believes in a service. I try to always treat my patients as family members. So we wanted to get the feedback of the family pharmacist who knows you by name, who knows your family members. So we brought in a world-class designer. We had her fly into Wisconsin, and one of the first questions that I asked her was, do you have kids?
Yeah.
And she told me, yes, I have 2 daughters. I told her, no, you have 3. She told me, no, 2. I told her, no, your 3rd daughter's name is Welltopia.
Welltopia.
So please, I told her, please take care of her.
Yeah.
3 months later, she came back with a design, and she told me, please take care of my daughter.
Aww.
And that's how it all started.
One thing you've done with the design of this place is created zones. There's a green zone, a gray zone, and a white zone. What do each of those areas represent?
As soon as you walk into the store, you find our green zone, where we put the wellness products, supplements and vitamins that are very high quality. And then behind the counter, it's the gray zone, where we have the regular commercially available medications. And then we have the white zone, which contain our labs, where we do compounding.
Compounding is something that a lot of people have heard of, but they don't understand what it is or why it's important. But it's something you guys do so well and sets you apart from all those big pharmacies.
Well, compounding is designing medications from scratch. Some of the medications that are commercially available have additives that patients are allergic to, or the dose is not suitable for what the prescriber wants to give to the patient. So we get the active ingredient, and we're allowed to do that by the FDA. We get the active ingredient and we design a form of the drug that the patient can take. Each compound can take up to 45 minutes or even sometimes a couple of hours, but we're very passionate about it because it helps a lot of patients.
You really take special care of seniors because they need not only their regular medication but also some compounding things.
I remember my grandmother, because in her last days she did not remember a lot of things. So I wanted to offer her more, so I would arrange her medications in kind of a weekly planner. So we have Welltopia All-in-One. We arrange the pills and capsules in well-designed blisters that we give to seniors every month, and we follow up with them, with their doctors, to make sure that they get their medicine in the right way, easy and simple to take.
So Omar, we're in a new area now by the gray zone.
Yes, so behind the counter is the gray zone where we have regular medications. We take most of insurances. We are a preferred plan, so if your insurance works in another pharmacy, it's going to work here. We also do behind the counter here in the gray zone, we do the bubble packs, blister packs, all-in-one.
Those are so cool.
Packages for professionals and seniors. We put all your supplements and medications in nicely designed packages.
Now Omar, we're in the white zone. So what is exactly happening here?
So this is our lab where we do compounds. It's where it all started as Pharmacy World. Welltopia is with PCCA, which is kind of the highest quality when it comes to designing medications from scratch.
Well, and that's something that's so important to you, right? Is the quality in which you make it, the ingredients, as you mentioned, also the cleanliness. Obviously, he's like fully scrubbed in to be able to do all these things.
Because we care for his safety, we care for the quality of the product that's being made. We back up our compounds 100%. If patient is not satisfied, he can just come back to us. We refund them their full amount of money that they paid. The vision that we have for Welltopia is to have a clinical pharmacist just working with patients and prescribers to make sure that the cycle of communication is correct and that we're doing our best that we can for a patient.
When he came here, I've not seen a pharmacy like this. I mean, he's got everything, not only everything, but the highest quality.
Yes.
I used to shop for things that I'd have to go to 4 or 5 different places many times, and God forbid, you'd go there, oh, they're out of that one.
Right.
So then you go online, and you have to wait for that, and you have to pay shipping, all that kind of thing. And he's got them here, they're all on the shelves. And you have Omar, who is extremely knowledgeable on what to take and what not to take.
Are there any specific supplements that you feel just changed your life?
Well, one particularly, melatonin. He has a melatonin that's a spray. I had nothing like that prior to that, but it's amazing for sleep, and you don't get the the grogginess when you wake up in the morning. I've been able to also, with some of the supplementation, titrate my blood pressure down a notch or two. So we're moving towards just getting rid of them. So
love it. Well, and it's neat. This is actually behind us. This is a genetic test that he can use, especially for seniors and such, making sure that the medication that you take is genetically right for you.
You may not want to take the same drugs that I take for the same condition. You may be wanting to take something different. That determines it. So what it is, it's personalized medicine.
Yeah.
That's why compounding pharmacy is personalized. That's where medicine's going.
Yeah. Would you recommend it to other people? Do you feel like your life has changed?
Yeah, it actually has. He's been able to improve my health.
Yeah.
And coming here, I mean, the people are great.
And you look incredible. Your energy is awesome. I'm a believer.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jim.
Okay, you're welcome.
You can find Welltopia on Main Street in Thiensville. You can go in-store or you can call them on the phone. Their phone number is 262-429-9429. And Omar offers a 15-minute free consultation with every new patient to review their medication or their vitamins or supplements. They have free and convenient delivery as well. It's so easy. So if you want to find out more, go to their website. It's welltopiarx.com. But I swear you got to stop in. It's so beautiful and wonderful, and I'm obsessed with them. Omar's amazing. I walked out with like this many supplements. I did. I really did. It was awesome.
Cool. It seems too to indicate that there's a certain quality, like food, for example. There's a quality to food.
There's fast food and there's good food.
And there's good, healthy, clean food. And it seems the same is true if there's a prescription that you need.
Absolutely. And they do it all. And I love the fact that he's like, there may be something in an over-the-counter medication that doesn't work for you. They'll make it so that it does without all those additives. It's just, it's phenomenal. Plus, he'll just help you find good supplements too. So
what an interesting visit.
Go in for the fish oil. Ask him about the mango fish oil. I swear to God, you'll walk out. It'll change your life. Really, truly. All right.